Welcome to the stream, folks. Think I got my games up running, and I'm gonna wait for some people to come in, and we'll see if the games will work. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and connect my screen up on my monitor here, and see if I can get my screen up to see R&R 911 News game. Okay, are you streaming live yet? Yep, it's streaming live. Okay, I'm entering the chat. I think I still got the watermark. When you guys come in, if you hit the subscribe, it should give you points. If you hit the like video, it'll give you some points. And you get points for being here for so long. Automatically. And you can bet to win points. That's the name of it. Automatically. And you can bet to win points. That's the name of it. I haven't installed the music yet, but it's coming. Eventually I'll have music. Let's see what else we can add here. Eventually I'll have music. Let's see what else we can add here. Why doesn't it stay there? Why doesn't it stay there? Oh, I forgot to get rid of that prism watermark. Alright, let's enter a chat here. Got to get rid of that prism watermark. Alright, let's enter a chat here. I'm going to put in the commands to where it'll show you what all the commands are that on the server. To where it'll show you what all the commands are that on the server. I think that should bring it up. We'll see. I think that should bring it up. We'll see. Oh, I forgot the S on it. Sorry, guys. Let me try that again. Oh, I forgot the S on it. Sorry, guys. Let me try that again. Now let's see if it'll bring it up. There it is. If you click on that link, it should take you to a list of all the commands that you as a user could use. I'll give you an example, like I'm going to put, I made one for R&R. I'll give you an example, like I'm going to put, I made one for R&R. And then it'll come up with the saying, look out, R&R News is on the prowl again. Will he find a cop maybe looking for some content? I got another one called iJohn. I got another one called iJohn. And it brings that one up. And if you want to see how many points you are, I think you can enter this one. And if you want to see how many points you are, I think you can enter this one. And if you want to see how many points you are, I think you can enter this one. And that should tell me how many points I have, and you do the same on yours. And that should tell me how many points I have, and you do the same on yours. That should tell me how many points I have, and you do the same on yours. I haven't tested the link out on the Discord yet, but I will. It should be working, but I haven't tried it myself. It should be working, but I haven't. Now you can see that I got points. Now, if you want to see what level you're at, the more you chat, the more you talk, the more you interact, the higher the level you get. The more you chat, the more you talk, the more you interact, the higher the level you get. Higher the level you get. Here it shows I'm at level 1. When you first starting, you're probably at level 0, and you can work your way up in level. The higher the number, the higher the level you are. I'm just starting this, so I'm at level 1. It'll take me a while to get up. I'm just starting this, so I'm at level 1. It'll take me a while to get up. Alright, let's do an iGamble, an example of iGamble. Alright, let's do an iGamble, an example of iGamble. Now, I just made a bet, and this is how you make your bets. Now, I just made a bet, and this is how you make your bets. And the dice rolled a number 2, and I lost the bet. And the dice rolled a number 2, and I lost the bet. And you could put an amount in. If you don't want to lose all your points, you can put an amount in. I'll give you an example of that. Whoop. Put an amount in. I'll give you an example of that. Whoop. I'm going to say I'm going to gamble 25 points. I'm going to say I'm going to gamble 25 points. I'm going to say I'm going to gamble 25. I tripled my bet on that one. At R&R News, dice rolled 6. You won and tripled your bet. So my bet was 25, so now I gained 50 points. Tripled your bet. So my bet was 25, so now I gained 50 points. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Anyway, I've got different things that are on the Nightbot that's going to come up on the screen every so many minutes. I'm going to let the stream go ahead and run here, and you're welcome to go ahead and play on the stream. Play on the stream. Oh, I should have got rid of that watermark. All right. I'm going to give my brother a call, see if he's free, and see if he can join the chat. Let him test everything out. Heck. What is it doing here?
Please leave your message for John Wyatt.
Hey, John, I think I got everything working. Give me a call when you get a chance. All right, love you, bro. Hey, John, I think I got everything working. Give me a call when you get a chance. All right. Yeah, I think I have to get rid of that. Yeah, I think I have to. Before I start the stream. Get rid of that. Before I start the stream. I need to check the timers. I'm not sure how often you can make a bet. I need to check the timers. I'm not sure how often you can make a bet. I got back only half my bet. Well, at least got some. Didn't lose all of my bet. I got back only half my bet. Well, at least got some. Didn't lose all of my bet. I wonder how the algorithm, the more you type, maybe the more chance of winning on this is. It's interesting to know. Chance of winning on this is interesting to know. Oh, it is. It does do that. Wow. Oh, it is. It does do that. Wow. What's that I caught? Why do I won't stay on the screen? Why do I won't stay on the screen? Even the hide box, it keeps hiding. I wonder why. I think time's out. I just hit it to stay on. Now let's see if it stays on.